Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to mark tasks complete in Asana, the 2025 guide. Ready? Let's dive right in. Our first step is to log into your Asana account. It's as simple as opening your preferred web browser, typing in asana.com, and entering your login details. Getting into your account is always the first step, as it's your personal workspace where you manage all your tasks. Now that we're in, let's move over to the task list. Find it on the left side of your dashboard. Click on it. This list is where you see all tasks assigned to you. It's the heart of your productivity, helping you stay organized and focused on what needs to be done. Next up, let's find the task you want to mark as complete. Once you've located the task, you'll see a circle next to it. This circle is essentially a checkbox that indicates whether a task is complete or not. It's like your personal to-do list, but digital. Go ahead and click on that circle. Immediately, you'll notice it changes color, usually to green. This means your task is marked as complete. The reason we do this is to keep track of our progress and inform our team members that we've finished a certain task. It's all about efficient communication and productivity. Now, you might wonder what happens next. Let me explain why this matters. The completed tasks move to a separate section called Completed Tasks. It's a neat way Asana helps you declutter your task list so you can focus on what's yet to be done. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you mark a task as complete, Asana automatically sends notifications to all team members involved in the project. This keeps everybody in the loop, reducing the need for unnecessary meetings or emails. And that's it. You've now mastered how to mark tasks complete in Asana. This simple process can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. As we wrap up, remember, efficient task management is key to successful project execution, and marking tasks as complete is an essential part of that. So, keep ticking off those tasks and moving your projects forward. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.